Welcome friends. So today's topic is related to functional specification document. So what is functional specification document? So that is must to know for any consultant who is working as a consultant on any ERP, either Oracle, either SAP. So I am explaining the some SAP functional document. So how it look like that and how to fill this document. It vary company to company. Suppose any IT company, IBM have some different format, EY have some different format, PwC have some different format, and some other consultancy firm have different format. But the content is going to be same. So first of all, we mention the client name for which client we are going to prepare this document and which is the consultancy firm. And below are the functional specification detail like the requirement reference number, product, either it is FI, CO, MM, SD, then requested by, requested date, required by date. It means when user expect to use this requirement. Suppose this is a report or some function. So that should be mentioned here. Now business case, what is that sale report, purchase report, then requirement, then priority, whether it is a critical, important or desirable. Then this is a functional spec. First thing user consultant needs to mention the parameter, on which parameter user wants to retrieve the data from the system. So that we have to mention over here, because the report is designed by the ABAPers. So they are technical, they don't understand the functional front end field. So they require tables and the how to get join and all like that. So suppose this is a sales report. Now parameter would be sales organization, plant from to, period from to, either it should be mandatory or optional. So why mandatory? Sometime user requested a report which is too heavy and put a load on the system. So then functional person needs to understand on which parameter they get restrict to user to fetch the data, so that system performance not get down. So this is a selection parameter. Now this is a output parameter. Output parameter means the column which is required. Header, dealer name, plant, address. And then this logic needs to be provided to the ABAPer that these are the tables which are going to be used. Then item level. This is a header level data and this is a item level data. So everything needs to be mentioned to the technical consultant that these are the column which we required and what would be the logic of the report. See how it's mentioned, based on the combination of the sales organization plant data to be extracted from this table and following this input. So just like that, you need to mention all the logic. Logic of the amount based on the region. I get this template through online. So this is very well drafted template. Now the logic, this is a calculation logic, in which column you want to put the calculation. So that also needs to be mentioned. Sale quantity. So so in case of some designing the report, the best idea is that firstly you try to do in the Excel, then you will able to understand what logic needs to be built. Then you can mention draft. Then usage frequency, like suppose if user is fetching this report once in a month, then the frequency is low. If suppose user is fetching the report many times in a day, then frequency is very high. Then authorization, to whom this report authorization is required. Then performance, how performance is going to be due for this report. Then test case and desired output, that what would be the test case and what would be the output. Then format of input and output form. Then this is filled by the project manager, that request accepted or not, yes or no. Then date remarks. Then impact analysis, that is done by a technical team, whether it is possible or not. Sometimes we think that the report is very easy, but when it go with the technical, then it will, the technical team analyze and see and take a decision that this report is going to be so heavy over the system, so they reject and try to understand more and try to make a report in different way. So this is a technical part. This is also a technical part. Development request number, technical specialist who is going to be create a report. Then start date, technical specification, end date, spec approved or not. Now this is a development detail. When development is started, then unit testing, then testing report, then transportation detail. So this is the how functional document get prepared for any report, any function, or any requirement related to the user. So I am going to attach this also in, or I can provide you the link. You can go and direct see over the site where I get this thing. I will mention that link in description. Thank you. Thanks for watching.